Hi and welcome to my playhouse and to Lazy Cooking with Morten. And today it's also going to be cheap cooking because there's a financial crisis going on in the world, so we need to save up our money to use on other stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking some rice and I'm gonna be very lazy about it. I found some rice that comes in rice bags. So lazy that I have found all the main ingredients. So yeah, this is a bag of rice, and when we open up, come on, nails. Now we will see that there's bags inside. There's 4 bags, and there's like little rice in each of them. These are not very big. I was actually expecting them to be bigger than that. So I think we will, for the video, we'll make 2, and also so that I don't have to go hungry to bed. So yeah, 2 of those. This package of rice was about 9 Danish kroner, so that's about $1.50, probably about $1.50, so it's 75 cents or something for the rice. And as I'm very lazy and we're gonna be frying the rice afterwards, we're also gonna be cooking them in the pan. So yeah, and then we're gonna add some water. Don't spill all over the place, I'm too lazy for that. And then we put it on the stove. We press that one, and that one, and then we go down a little bit. That's fine. So needs about a few seconds, right? And there we are. Only a few seconds later, the rice is boiling and has become big. Awesome. Okay. And we're gonna cool it off and take the water off it, and my faucet is perfect for that. And now you're asking yourself, how can a faucet be perfect for that? Well, because the rice bags has this little plastic thing, and it just exactly fits over this square faucet, so they can sit there and the water will drip off of it. I'm gonna change the pan from water to oil. This is a very special oil because I purchased this from some of my Portuguese friends who has a Portuguese farm and have their own olive oil, and well, I purchased half a liter to support what they do there. I'll leave a link in the description to their channel. They're already way out of oil, so too late. Onion has magically fallen apart here, so we're gonna put that on the pan first. I think this is very warm. It's already very warm. So I've opened up the rice here, and we're gonna put it on the pan. 1, 2. The big part of lazy cooking is to clean up after yourself, because, well, otherwise don't make a mess. Who has time for that? I'm not very good at spices, so I am relying on someone who is. So this is a taco mix, and it's spices and it's spicy, and I'm just gonna put this into the rice, and it's the main benefit of this bag is that it's really cheap. So it's less than $1 for a bag of spices, which might be very expensive for other people because you know what spices cost and they're not very expensive. But if you're not very good at it, well, you have to rely on other people's spices. So we're just gonna put all of it on there. Spicy rice. Oh, don't! So the viewer that is still awake will notice that the pan has grown in size because I realized that I was too lazy to clean up after my messes with the little pan. But I'm too lazy to put in 2 eggs, so I'm just gonna have 1 egg with a redundant solution of the inner thingy. So yeah, server and storage stews, we always have a redundant solution. Also with eggs. A few seconds later, I think we're done. And as this is a very lazy course, we can eat it with just a fork, so we don't have to do the dishes very much afterwards. Enough for 2 people here. So that was Lazy Cooking with Morten. If you want to try this, I can only say one thing. God save the Queen, because you don't have a chance. Yeah, I'm still waiting for that Michelin star. Post offers are not what they used to be, right? So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.